Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through a 2026 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This boat is equipped with a white hull, a 115 horsepower Mercury engine. We have the aft cushion package on the boat. This boat also has the live well underneath the helm seat. We have the white rubber rail with the stainless steel insert. Moving forward to the dash, 9-inch Simrad unit, JL audio, stereo. We have the bimini top. Also on the boat is the fishing package that gives you this compass, 4 rod holders, and back cushion, the cooler with the cushion, and tackle storage on this side of the boat. Moving forward, also equipped with the bow cushion. Insulated cooler. And then flip this one over. Access to your anchor. And then we also have the split bow rail on the boat, making boarding on and off the bow really easy. Give us a call, 631-956-4865. Thank you.